Hi friend, I am Somnath Sapkal and friend welcome to my YouTube channel. Friend, today's video we are going to talking about some problem while speaking English. Okay, what happens when we start to speak English? Then sometimes we stuck somewhere. That's fine. I want to share with you. Okay, friend, what happened with me when I started to speak English? Okay, last 7 to 8 months ago, I started to speak English, and at the starting point, I don't have a friend because I don't have atmosphere here. Then I was talking with myself something whatever in my mind, and then after one friend to suggest me one beautiful apps on Play Store. Okay, there are also so many apps to speak in English. Okay, there are so many state or out of state people are there, those who want to speak English, and you can speak with them. Then after I start speak on that apps, but what was happening with me, I was speaking at too much well, at least 4 to 5 sentences. Then after I was hesitate, I was shy at that time. That time I was in that call because I was hesitate too much. And then after I got one group, WhatsApp group. Okay, and because what happened on that apps, we can't speak too much on that apps because when next person don't like our speaking, they will end call automatically. But then after I got a one WhatsApp group, and there I got too much friend, and I was calling them directly, and like that I was speak with them at least half and 1 hour daily. Okay, and that's through I improve and my confidence also boost to speak English. And same things you can also do. Okay, no need any classes, any at a time, don't need any grammar. First of all, you should start to speak. Okay, and what will happen with you, I will uh, I will tell you 100%ly कि you will be also hesitate. Okay, after speaking you think कि we can't speak English, but don't quit. Okay, never give up. Please continue your practice. Automatically one day you will be too much confidence in your speaking English. Okay, like this I have some experience from my English journey. I want to share with you. If you like this video, then let's subscribe and press the bell icon, because next video notification you will be get. Okay, thank you so much. Bye bye.